and your hair is done. You will have an excellent hair after that. It will make your hair shiny, soft, silky for sure. Just start in your routine once at least now, from now onwards, start this routine as by giving a very necessary, make it as a necessary that wash your hair with cold water. Okay, so once you're done with all this, you come out of your shampoo, you come out with your wet hair. So what you can do is never take any heavy towels, as I've mentioned even in one of the videos of mine. Don't use any heavy towels. Use a microfiber towel, tie it and leave it for at least 15-20 minutes. It will soak all its water, and then you can leave your hair to air dry, not blow dry, air dry. Yes, for oily scalp you can use honey, oil and aloe vera. Aloe vera too much, if at all you have a dry scalp, please don't use too much of aloe vera because it will make your scalp dry. But if you have an oily scalp, you can use it. It is excellent. If at all you don't have a microfiber towel for tying your hair, all will be having their own t-shirts. It's a very basic and an important tip here also again. Use, or a hack, whatever you call it as, just use your own t-shirts because t-shirts is very soft. It will not damage your hair, and always pat dry your hair like this. Never rub your hair like this. It will calm down. And when you do this, why many people ask me about frizzy hair. Today I'll tell you why. Because frizzy hair, the climate is like this. If the monsoon and the spring starts, once it starts like this and it starts raining, frizziness, static increases. So if at all you wash your hair and it becomes dry and all that, one thing you have to use is microfiber towel or your t-shirts. Calm down the frizziness, just pat dry it like this. Don't do this, then you will see, now I'm doing this, you will not find any kind of static coming out, just because you pat dry it nicely like this with your t-shirts or your microfiber towels, and you are done. After that, after drying it little bit, come out and apply any hair serum for sure. Compulsory apply any hair serum. Here I'm using is Livon's hair serum. Anything of your choice you can use. Why you have to use hair serums compulsory? Because you have to use it for reduce your frizziness. First point it comes in hair serum is reduce your frizziness. Oiling your hair reduces your frizziness, and massaging your hair also reduces your frizziness. All this will reduce whatever problems you're having. It is only basic routines you need to follow, that is oil, shampoo or mask. These three things you follow and nothing of too much. And to follow this, please don't first point which I told you, detangle your hair first. That is the most important for the procedure. For all these three procedures, detangle your hair is the must which you have to do. And after that, once you are done, apply any hair serum. That is very important. And once after you are done with the hair serum, let it dry, air dry it, no blow dry it. No using any hot tools on your hair. Any hot tools for long time, it will actually damage your hair again. How often should we wash our hair? I have actually told on that. Please don't wash your hair more than 2 times, because it is going to create frizziness. The more you wash it, will make your hair dry. 2 times a week, that's more than enough. 1 time mask, 1 time oil, that's more than enough for your hair. If you are really wanting to wash your hair, you can wash your hair if it's required as you're going out. Please be away from any heat tools, and if at all you're going for gym or you're going for any kind of outing, your work where you're going out on regular basis, if you're coming from gym, this is for the people who use gym, or you do any exercise. This tip is for those people. If at all you're doing all that and you find your hair too greasy, too oily, always come home and leave your hair for some time under fan, or just leave it to air dry. Never that time comb your hair and make it, because that time when you're sweating, your hair is more vulnerable, more soft, because the grease is actually, the oils are coming out because of that sweat. The dirty oil is coming out. So just for that timing, leave your hair open, leave it, let it air dry, and then the next day morning, if you want, you wash your hair, or otherwise you can carry forward with this, and the third day you can wash your hair. This is how it happens. Whenever you're going for gym, this is what you can do. It's a quick and easy tip. Whenever you come home, leave your hair open, because your hair will dry completely, and once it dry, you can tie your hair. And after you do this, after, if it's very necessary, I'll request that you can blow dry your hair, otherwise it's not required at all. And if you go out in any conditions, this is also another tip. People who travel a lot, who go for office, who go for regular basis, you can use this tip. You can use a hooded jacket, or you can use a cotton dupatta or something. Always tie your hair. No, if you don't want to tie it, also just put that hood on your head and go. That's a very quick and an easy tip, that if at all you want to go in any conditions, you want to go out with your wet hair, always do this. Or we are going with your oiled hair, always do this. Use any hooded jacket or use any cotton dupatta. Never go direct to sunlight, because sunlight actually makes your hair damage, completely dry, and again it becomes dry, means it is actually creating breakage. Because it becomes dry, it's very easy to break. Once any product gets dry, we can break it very easily. The same way with your hair. Once it is dried, it will break very easily. And the most important, you have to use wooden combs whenever you are doing any kind of combing before, and too much of combing creates frizziness, static in your hair. So once in the morning and once in the night, that's more than enough. And always keep your hair tied in a bun or a 3-strand braid. And if at all people who are facing a lot of problems of hair fall, the main reason sometimes it might be of dandruff. Dandruff is the main reason for hair fall. To keep your scalp clean is the most important motive. If you have a happy hair, you are happy. So the same thing, if your dandruff is reduced, you will find many changes in your hair. If you follow this routine, what I've told right now, from your detangling of your hair and oiling of your hair, hair mask, how to shampoo your hair, you will find all the differences, and your hair is going to be healthy forever. Do not comb your hair with wet hair, because wet hair again is very soft and vulnerable. When you start pulling your hair like this, then it will create breakage, and if it creates breakage, hair thinning is possible. Okay, now we have covered almost all the points what I actually do on regular basis. No investing on heavy products, no investing on parlors or whatever. Just this basic change in your routine, you will find a huge difference in your hair care routine. At the same time, what diet you need to follow. The most important, after all this also, you are still having hair fall, you are still having hair thinning, is because of stress. Stress is the main reason for hair fall. If at all you are stressed, stress can build hair fall on regular basis. Arey, these people didn't come. Arey, I didn't go there. Arey, I didn't do this. All this, please cut down there only and cut off stress from your life. Use a good shampoo. You can wash your hair with any kind of problems or any kind of mud you have on your hair. And to just change few routines, you just need to follow a basic lifestyle change in your diet. I don't know how many people will follow this, but in your winters, when the climate is changed, the first thing you need to follow is Chyawanprash. Eat a Chyawanprash. I can tell you it has loads of amla and vitamin C in it. Is a high content in it. Chyawanprash may change your hair care regime completely. It will take care of it. Excellent. So please include Chyawanprash in 1 spoon a day at least in your winters, because your hair needs a lot. In winters we do need moisturizer. So if at all we induce, now I'm talking about all the diets which you can intake. So these are only basic things which you need to do in your diet. That is first thing, hydrate yourself nicely, drink lots of water. Second thing, stop stress. Third thing, eat any Chyawanprash which will actually has loads of vitamin C and high content of amla in it. Amla is very good for your hair. And again, if at all you love sprouts, that is excellent. Again, excellent way of protein indirectly. Instead of taking any kind of proteins or something, use this on your regular diet. Use sprouts or something. And I don't know if I'm taking too much of time. I'm just going to wind it up now. So this is going to be last 10-15 minute session. You need to take proteins in your diet. Hi everybody. You need to take protein in your diet. That is compulsory. Only 5 things you need to take. Chamanprash, proteins, that is peanuts. Peanuts you can take. You can take any kind of sprouts or any kind of dal which you actually make. Just make a regular routine. Walnuts is must. Compulsory use walnuts in your diet. At least 5 walnuts, 4 to 5 walnuts in your everyday routine. And after that, use spinach. I don't know how many people use spinach on their regular basis, but spinach has loads of vitamins and zinc and minerals in it. Is very good for your hair, and it has the iron content is very high. So please do induce your spinach, your pulses, peanuts, chamanprash and walnuts in your diet. And the best thing, actually, sometimes you can just carry it in your purse or something. Flax seeds are very good for women. You can try it. You'll actually find difference. Only these 5 things you use in your diet, you will find a huge difference. On regular basis, your hair will start giving proteins automatically. So please do use it and let me know how was it. So when you start using it, that's what I told. If you are started getting hair fall, is only because of, if at all you sweat a lot, you do gymming or you do any kind of dance or any kind of, if at all your hair is facing all these problems, yes, you will find too many hair fall problems. Like the basic thing, first you need to comb your hair before applying oil, not after applying oil. So these are the basic routines. If you just change in your daily routine, obviously you will find a huge difference in your hair care problems. Actually, I have told from the starting. Actually, I'll save this video, please, you can go and see once. And the last which I told you about is diet. These 5 things if you include in your diet, you will find again a huge difference. So let me sum up with few things, telling that if at all I have told about frizzy hair, Poonamdi, I have told about frizzy hair, that is, use weekly once a mask and a hair oil. Hair oil is must to reduce frizziness. Don't comb your hair on regular basis. You will find too many problems if at all you use it on regular basis. Don't comb your hair on regular basis. Just morning and evening is done. Use a wooden comb for taking out frizziness from your hair. Use a hair serum compulsory. You will actually take away frizziness from your hair. That's what is all because of climatic conditions. If you see the climate right now is a rainy season. Rainy season, what is it? It attracts frizziness in your hair. When you wash too much of your hair, also it also causes frizziness. I don't know where you're going wrong. Please understand where you're going wrong and cut off there only. So you'll find a huge difference. Any more questions, please do let me know so that I can answer. Here I'll wind up with my session. Anything specific you want to say, how to avoid thinning of hair? That's what I told. If at all you have dandruff, or if at all you have, I don't know, okay, let me just get to you once. How many people apply oil after taking bath immediately? Who has that, like a routine there where you apply oil immediately after taking bath, even immediately after washing your hair? Okay, please never do that. Never apply oil immediately after you take bath also. That also causes hair thinning. Why hair thinning happens, I have told Priyanka. It's very, very simple. It's just that you don't do it on regular basis. If you don't follow these routines, oiling your hair, mask, hair wash, you never oil your hair after that.